Wanted, highly integrated mixed signal devices that enable wide bandwidth and are easily configurable. Adding high-speed converter subsystems, design engineers are creating the next generation of RF platforms for aerospace and defense, communications infrastructure, and electronic test and measurement markets. But with accelerating bandwidth demands, multiple antenna elements, new spectrum frontiers, higher levels of modulation encoding requiring even higher dynamic range, developing new RF signal paths isn't without challenges. Transmit and receive paths are already complex for a fixed bandwidth. Supporting additional or wider bandwidths requires more complexity, more design time, more processing, more board space, power, and cost. The MxFE platform of products tackles these challenges with direct RF sampling and very wide channel bandwidth, all software defined, for a simple, scalable, efficient, and future-proof solution. It's the first mixed signal front end with 6 gigasample per second RF ADCs integrated with 12 gigasample per second RF DACs. Based on RF data converter technology, the MxFE's wide bandwidth and high dynamic range supports flexible and scalable frequency planning, reduces the number of frequency translation stages and filter requirements, while enabling high-order modulation encoding schemes for better information throughput. Its integrated digital signal processing enables software-defined filtering schemes, frequency mixing and agile frequency band tuning that can't be realized in a fixed hardware signal chain without significant cost and time. And much of the digital processing can now be done on-chip, reducing the processing requirements of the FPGA and allowing the option of lower-cost FPGAs. Future-proof. Develop RF signal paths that address future needs as well as support legacy needs in a highly congested spectrum while extending the life of existing assets to maximize return on investments. Faster time to market. Configure systems to address market opportunities as they happen, ahead of what's possible. The MxFE family offers the bandwidth, dynamic range, and flexibility to support your next generation RF platform.